What's going on, everybody on YouTube? I just wanted to do a quick demo of the persona. As you can see right here, this is my persona. I literally just scanned this. I probably should have brushed my hair and actually straightened up a little bit, but yeah, it's pretty interesting. It is cool how it tracks everything. So look, your hands on there. Oh, where is it? Not there. There you go. Look. So that's pretty cool. It's almost just like a little 3D version. But I just want to do a quick demo of this. And I'm also just in the immersive mode right now. As you can see, we could take it out. Now we're in pass through. Back in my living room. Like I said, I got YouTube on here. This. Back. But yeah, pretty much I just want to kind of show off the persona mode really quick. Man, it's definitely interesting. As you can see, it's just the beta. This is very early, but yeah, this is a persona mode for anybody who kind of wanted to see. I guess it creates basically a virtual avatar. It's pretty interesting. But more videos coming soon. I'm still testing out the device, and I'll talk to you all soon. Let's go ahead and stop the recording.